Hello guys, I am Uday Kumar. In this video we are going to say about hostel management system. We are going to do a project. First of all, so that we are going to do a planning of the project and problem analysis. We are going to, what is the purpose of the doing the project means? It's an application project. It's an application developed for managing various activities in hostel, and the project deals with the problem of managing a hostel and provide the problems which occur when carried manually. And what is the problem statement of the project? The problem statement of the project is to as a development developed for a automating the activities of the hostel. The software will be great relief to the employees. The software will help user in case of reporting registration and searching the information about residents and rooms. The aim of the hostel management system is to carry out the activities of hostel in the efficient way. It will take the operation of the hostel to the upper level by providing faster access to the data and allocation, allowing addition, upgradation, modification, and deletion of the data in a very systematic and reliable manner. And the project description is the hostel management was designed to provide a computerized process that is stress-free, reliable, and quick through the use of PHP programming language and MySQL database application to both the student and staff in charge of the registration and hostel management process. And a problem constraint of the project. There are two constraints, software and hardware. In software constraint, there are 2 points. First point is the system will run under the Windows 98 or above operating system. And second point is the system must have a web processor. In hardware constraint, there are 3 points. We must need a minimum to 128 GB RAM. And second point is we must need Pentium 3 or above level processor. And third point is we need a minimum to 500 MB of the hard disk space. And next we are going to see about the software requirement of the project. And we need a operating system like Windows 10 Ubuntu. To do your front end, we need a software like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and AngularJS. To do a backend, we need a PHP software. To do a database, we need a MySQL software. For ID, we need a PHP Storm software. Tool, we need a XAMPP software. And to create a business case, the history of the project is um, INIT International University. It is a University of Nelai. It is located in Malaysia. INIT International University is an educational institute that has been rapidly improving for the past few years. As the fast increasing student numbers, therefore, to accommodate part of the students studying in the institution, the INTI International University has had to build up more hostel in the campus, so that Nilai campus had got 16 halls of residence and named after the great man who have contributed to the well-being of mankind. At present they are managed by a accommodation office, internet connection, Wi-Fi, and resident fellow security facility and convenient stores are the some of the facilities provided for the convenient of the students. This is the history of the project. And what are the limitation of the project? The system cannot handle online payment of student accommodation fee and maintenance fee. The system cannot handle other hostel issues such as mess activities because the existing system does not have one have one. And what is the approach of the project? The same the project the hostel management system was developed designed to provide a computerized process that is stress free, reliable, and quick through the use of a PHP computer programming language and MySQL database application to both the student and staff in charge of the registration and hostel management process. For HTML software, would be at the front end and provide a graphical user interface that relates with the user, while the MySQL database will be at the back end to handle the data storage process. And this is the main approach of the doing project in the USL management system. And what is the benefit to do the project e-hostel management system is it is a less time and effort consuming. It makes the process of updating the data is fast. It automates mundane task. It secure the data and to the student to data of the student. It reduces the manual work of the management. It enhances the reputation of the educational institute. And the conclusion of the project is hostel management is the user-friendly and customized software for student hostel. Hostel management system has been developed to manage the automate the overall process of any large student hostel. Hostel management system project is capable of managing hostel rooms, student records, and room allocation process, etc. And hostel management system is a user-friendly and customized software for providing support for hostel admin. These are the main thing to do a project for hostel management system. Thank you.